12 shocking futuristic vehicles you must see 2024. Buckle up, thrill seekers. Get ready to rev up your engines and blast off into a future that's faster, sleeker, and more mind-blowing than you ever imagined. Welcome to the cutting-edge world of futuristic vehicles, where innovation meets adrenaline, and the roads of tomorrow are paved with pure awesomeness. From hover bikes that defy gravity to cars that transform into robots, we're counting down the top 12 shockingly cool rides 2024 that will leave you speechless and yearning for the future today. So strap yourself in and let's hit the gas on this electrifying journey into the wild world of futuristic vehicles. 1. Mercedes-Benz Vision Urbanetic, a revolutionary battery-electric autonomous van that's redefining the future of transportation. Whether it's ferrying passengers, delivering goods, or providing services, this versatile van can do it all. And with its autonomous capabilities, it can run all day, every day, with only brief pit stops for charging. Plus, its modular design means it can switch bodies in no time, making it an efficient, comfortable, and sustainable solution for part-time van use. 2. Lamborghini Fantasma car, a revolutionary car that combines speed, style, and sustainability like never before. This limited edition masterpiece boasts a sleek design, immersive features, and advanced tech, including hybrid powertrain with 320 km/h top speed, advanced all-wheel drive and dynamic suspension, energy harvesting, and storage for miles of driving. Available exclusively to a select few, the Fantasma is the ultimate driving experience for those who demand the best. 3. DS E-Tense. Experience the future of electric luxury with the DS X E-Tense, a revolutionary vehicle that combines sustainability, cutting-edge tech, and exceptional performance. This stunning car boasts sleek lines, gull-wing doors, and a panoramic glass roof, with luxurious interior and intuitive controls that make every drive feel like a VIP experience. With a thrilling 250 km/h top speed, advanced suspension, and autonomous technology, this electric dynamo is a game-changer for the future of transportation. 4. GAC Barchetta Concept. Meet the GAC Barchetta, a sleek concept sports car that combines Italian flair with cutting-edge tech. This futuristic ride boasts a windshield and a roofless design, flat profile, and innovative headlamps that lift and lower from the body. The GAC Barchetta showcases a bold design philosophy that celebrates simplicity and sustainability. 5. Spang Aerote. This futuristic ride transforms from a stylish road car to a flying machine, with wings that fold and deploy for seamless transition. Asia's leading flying car manufacturer is paving the way for a 3D mobility future, where policy, regulation, and infrastructure will support widespread adoption. 6. BMW Vision Next 100. A revolutionary vision vehicle that combines human intuition with cutting-edge tech to create an unparalleled driving experience. In ease mode, your personal companion takes the wheel, expertly navigating every twist and turn while keeping you informed about your route, road conditions, and vehicle performance. But when you're ready to take the wheel, boost mode kicks in, displaying optimal driving lines and unleashing the full potential of the vehicle. With its sleek, reflective glass panels, you'll enjoy enhanced privacy and a cooler cabin. 7. Toyota LQ. Toyota's LQ concept is revolutionizing the road with its cutting-edge electric vehicle, boasting a 300-kilometer range and a personal assistant like no other. This intelligent sidekick learns your habits and preferences, tailoring your driving experience to perfection. From adjusting the air conditioning to your favorite temperature to syncing your favorite tunes, Yui's got you covered. 8. Peugeot's Inception Concept, a revolutionary concept vehicle that's redefining the driving experience. Gone are the days of clunky steering wheels. The Hypersquare module lets you navigate with ease, using just your thumbs to command the road. The Halo cluster display is like having a personal digital butler at your beck and call, while the Comfort Fit seats cradle you in sumptuous 100% recycled polyester velvet. 9. Acura Allure, a revolutionary concept vehicle that redefines the boundaries of shared mobility. This sleek and alluring car has two modes: lounge mode, where you can relax and let the car take control, and engage mode, where you take the wheel and unleash your inner driver. With its electric powertrain and luxurious design, the Acura Allure is the ultimate symbol of performance and premiumness. And the best part? It's a future where driving is still a pleasure, not a chore. 10. DeLorean Omega 2040. Welcome to the DeLorean Omega 2040, a revolutionary vehicle that rewrites the rules of automotive design. This futuristic beast dispenses with side windows, plunging drivers and passengers into a world of unobstructed vision. The iconic slatted rear window is reimagined as a series of rising hexagons, while the front boasts a swooping loop of bodywork and green/headlights that slice through the darkness. 11. Armor Truck SUV. This behemoth of a car is built to thrive in post-apocalyptic landscapes, space exploration, and even biological warfare. With its bulletproof armor made of steel, titanium, Kevlar, and carbon fiber, this SUV is the ultimate protector of its four passengers. Equipped with night and thermal vision, weapons, and state-of-the-art oxygen regeneration and filtration system, the armor truck is the perfect vehicle for any adventure. 12. Lancia PU and RA0 Concept. Lancia is gearing up to launch new models every 2 years, starting from 2024. This stunning model boasts a Y-shaped light signature and round taillights, paying homage to Lancia's rich heritage. The interior is a masterpiece of Italian design, inspired by the finest furniture from Bel Pease, and to top it off, the updated logo, a nod to the 1957 classic, makes its debut on this showstopper. But that's not all. Strap yourselves in, folks, because Lancia is about to take the automotive world by storm. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment with your thoughts. Like and share this video. Thank you.